Hi all, welcome to Code IQ. So in this video we are going to see the difference between break and continue statement. Break statement is used to exit from the loop. What are all the loop? For loop, while loop and do while loop. This break keyword is also used in switch statement, whereas this continue keyword or statement is used to skip the only current iteration and it doesn't come out of the loop. It skips only the iteration. So it is used inside loops and not in switch block. Now I will explain this with an example. This is the break example. In this program, here I is equal to 1. So 1 is less than or equal to 5 condition correct. It checks for this condition. Is 1 equal to 3? No. And it prints the value of I as 1. Next I is incremented to 2. 2 less than or equal to 5 condition correct. 2 is equal to 3? No. So it prints the value of I as 2 and it increments the value of I as 3. So 3 less than or equal to 5 condition correct. And if 3 is equal to 3, yes, and it gets inside the if block and it executes break. On seeing the break, it exit from the nearest loop. What is loop here? For loop. So it exits from the for loop and it comes to the end of the program. So your output is 1 and 2, whereas in continue it skips only the current iteration, which means if I is equal to 1, 1 less than equal to 5 correct, it again 1 is equal to 3, no, it prints the value of I as 1. Again I is incremented to 2, 2 less than or equal to 5 condition correct, 2 equal to 3, no, it prints the value of I as 2. Next I is incremented to 3, is 3 less than or equal to 5 condition correct, and if 3 is equal to 3, yes. On seeing this, it enters into the if statement. On seeing continue keyword, it skips the current iteration. What is the current I value of as we have 3? So that iteration is skipped and I is directly incremented to 4. Okay, so is 4 less than or equal to 5? Correct. Is 4 equal to 3? No, and it prints the value of I as 4. Again I is become 5. 5 less than or equal to 5? Correct. 5 equal to 3? No, and it prints the value of I as 5. Again I is incremented to 6. Is 6 less than or equal to 5? No, and it comes to the end of the program. So your output is 1, 2, 4 and 5, which means break statement will exit from the loop directly and continuous statement just skip the iteration value and it increments further and it checks and it proceeds with the next iteration. If you have any doubt, kindly comment. I will explain in the next video. Thank you.